Guidelines on Nutrition and Cancer Treatment. Welcome to Track 3 of the Cancer Coping Kit, where we discuss nutrition and offer guidelines to manage your cancer. Good eating habits assist in fighting disease and contribute to a healthy lifestyle. What is poor nutrition?
Poor nutrition results from eating foods low in vitamins, minerals and fiber, and high in saturated fats and sugar. Combined with environmental and genetic factors, this can contribute to the development of cancer. No particular food can cause or heal cancer. But if your diet lacks a sufficient intake of nutrients, such as carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals and fiber over a period of time, malnutrition can result.
Why is it important for me to eat correctly?
A good diet is especially important during any illness, as the body requires nutrients to fight disease, to counteract the effects of treatments, and to attempt to heal the body.
What are these nutrients?
They are proteins, carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals, fats, water and fiber. A balanced eating plan provides all the nutrients in the correct amounts for the body to function at its best. Maintaining healthy eating habits can be difficult when you have cancer. The side effects of treatments, emotional factors like depression and anxiety, or the metabolic changes that cancer causes can play a role. If you're unable to follow this guideline, be gentle with yourself. Eat whatever you can during this time. When you're feeling better, you'll find this program easier to follow.
How can my treatment cause eating problems?
Chemotherapy, radiation and surgery are powerful treatments designed to kill cancer cells. They also affect normal healthy cells and can cause conditions that may result in nutritional or eating problems. Surgery on or around the digestive tract may lessen the ability of the mouth, throat and stomach to work properly. These areas may become sore and digestion will slow down. Both chemotherapy and radiation therapy can cause sores in the mouth, nausea, vomiting, changes in taste and appetite, diarrhea and constipation. This affects your ability to eat and the body's ability to absorb nutrients from food. Ways of dealing with this will be discussed later in the program.
What is a well-balanced eating plan?
It provides all the protein, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals, fibers and water that your body needs to function properly. Each of these components fulfills a specific function in the body. If you're deficient in one or more of them, your body may not be able to protect, repair, rejuvenate and cleanse itself. This can leave you prone to disease, infection and low energy levels. Let's see how these 6 components contribute to your nutritional status.
The first component is protein.
Proteins are the building blocks of the body. Without a good supply, the body is unable to function, repair or replace damaged tissue properly. Good sources of protein include fish, dry beans, peas, lentils, eggs, soya products, lean chicken and beef. As a guideline, eat 2 servings of protein a day.
What protein should I limit?
Limit or avoid protein foods high in saturated fats, such as fatty meats, chicken with skin, smoked and preserved processed meats such as polony, cold meats and sausages. Full cream dairy products also contain large amounts of animal fat.
What are carbohydrates?
Carbohydrates are the prime source of energy for all cells in the body. There are 2 types of carbohydrates: fast-releasing, such as sugar, honey, sweets, bread and millie meal, and slow-releasing, such as vegetables, whole grains, brown rice, oats, dry beans, lentils, dry peas and fresh fruit. To achieve sustained energy levels throughout the day, limit your intake of fast-releasing carbohydrates and eat small regular meals of slow-releasing carbohydrates. Millie meals should be eaten in small portions, combined with the protein to slow down digestion. Vary millie meal with brown rice, samp, beans and millie rice. Limit your intake of sugar and refined foods such as white flour, white bread, pastries, pies and pizza. Focus instead on whole grains such as millies on the cob, coarse millie meal, brown rice and whole wheat bread. It's beneficial to eat 3 to 5 servings of vegetables per day and 2 to 4 servings of fruit. It's best to eat fruit and vegetables as fresh and as raw as possible. as they contain phytonutrients that play an important role in keeping cells healthy and can be protective against cancer development.
What is fiber?
Not all of the carbohydrates and proteins that you eat will be digested. These are called fiber. Fiber absorbs water and keeps bowel matter soft and easy to move. It cleans out the bowel and removes waste before it can affect the body. Whole grains, vegetables, samp milli, milli rice, fruits, nuts, seeds, lentils, beans, and high-fiber cereal are good sources of fiber and need to be eaten daily to keep the body regular.
What happens if I don't eat enough fiber?
The bowel will slow down and you may become constipated, with the waste remaining in your body for too long.
Are vitamins and minerals important in my diet?
Vitamins and minerals have many functions and are vital for proper functioning of the body. They protect the cells of the body. They keep the nervous system healthy. They boost the immune system. They convert food into energy. They keep bones and teeth strong, and they aid the healing process. Good sources of vitamins are nuts, fruits, vegetables, seeds, dry beans, and whole grains.
Are fats necessary in a good diet?
Yes, not all fats are bad for you, and there are some fats that your body needs to perform properly. Monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats are needed by your skin, nervous system, immune system, and circulatory system. They are also necessary to keep your cell membranes healthy. Good sources are nuts, avocados, sunflower seeds, sesame seeds, pumpkin seeds, olives, olive and sunflower oil, and fish. Eat pilchards and sardines frequently to ensure a good supply of monounsaturated fats. You may develop a dry skin if you are deficient in these fats. There are two types of fats to avoid: saturated fat and trans fatty acids. Limit your intake of deep-fried foods, poultry skin, full-fat dairy products and cheeses, fast foods and fatty bakery items, as well as snack foods such as chocolates and crisps, as they contain saturated fats. They can negatively affect your circulatory system and lower the oxygen level in your cells. Trans fats are fats that have been processed and damaged by heat. They are hidden in many foods and degrade your cell membrane, leaving your cells unable to absorb nutrients. Foods to avoid are hard margarine, fried foods, biscuits, croissants, chips, cakes, pancake mixes, donuts, and pastries. Check the label of products for the words hydrogenated fats, as these are trans fats and should be avoided.
How should I cook my food?
The more food is heated, the more the nutrients are destroyed. Eat vegetables as raw as possible. There are a few exceptions, such as tomatoes and carrots, where food value is improved by heating. The best cooking methods to use are steaming, boiling, or baking, where heat is kept as low as possible for a short period of time. Cooking methods that require high temperatures, such as grilling, deep frying, roasting, and braising on coals, should be avoided. This converts good fats to trans fats. Where frying is unavoidable, keep the cooking period short, such as stir frying.